Please subscribe my channel and press bell button for more new videos. Thousands of websites, including ones run by US and UK government agencies, were infected for several hours on Sunday, with code that causes web browsers to secretly mine digital currencies. More than 4,200 sites were infected with a malicious version of a widely used tool, known as BrowseAloud from British software maker TextHelp, which reads out web pages for people with vision problems. The news comes amid a surge in cyber attacks, using software that forces infected computers to mine cryptocurrencies on behalf of hackers. The prevalence of these schemes has increased in recent months as the volume of trading in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies has surged. The tainted version of BrowseAloud caused inserted software for mining the digital currency Mondo to run on computers that visited infected sites, generating money for the hackers behind the attack. Representatives of the US and British law enforcement agencies and TextHelp could not immediately be reached for comment. TextHelp told the Register that it had shut down the operation by disabling BrowseAloud while its engineering team investigated. Just yesterday, engineers at Russia's top nuclear research facility were caught trying to mine Bitcoin on its computers. These engineers were trying to mine Bitcoin on the nuclear facility's computers to generate cryptocurrency. Please subscribe my channel and press bell button for more new videos. Thank you so much for watching.